Hello children, welcome to your maths class. In the previous videos, we discussed about fractions, numerator, denominator and how to write the fractions. In this video, we will learn about types of fractions depending upon the value of numerator and denominator. The first type is proper fractions. What is a proper fraction? A proper fraction is when the numerator is less than the denominator. That is, numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger. Here are the examples: 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 15 by 20, 1 by 5, 1 by 2. In all the cases, you can see the upper number, that is numerator, is less than or smaller than the bottom number, that is denominator. The next type is improper fractions. An improper fraction is when the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. The numerator is greater than, that is bigger, or equal, that is of same value as of denominator. 5 by 4, 8 by 8, 12 by 6, 7 by 2, 9 by 3. In all the cases, you can see that numerator is greater, or in this case it is equal to the denominator. Unit fractions. Unit fractions are fractions which have numerator equal to 1. That means numerator is always 1 in this case. No matter whatever is the denominator, the numerator should be 1. Those types of fractions we call as unit fractions. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. In all these cases, the numerator is 1 and denominators are different. Like and unlike fractions. Now these type of fractions are possible when we have a group of fractions, that is, we have more than one fraction to compare with. Like fractions are those fractions in which all the denominators are same. For example, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. In all these cases, the denominator is 4 only, no matter what is the numerator. Unlike fractions, the denominators are always different. 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. In all these cases, you can see the denominators are different as 2, 3 and 4. No matter what is the numerator, the denominators should be different. Remember, we categorize fractions as like and unlike when we have more than two fractions with us or more than one fraction with us. Here are more examples of like and unlike fractions. 1 by 5, 3 by 8, 3 by 4. The denominators you can see are different, so all these are unlike fractions. Here 3 by 8, 5 by 8. In both the cases the denominator is 8, that is same, so these are like fractions. Let's quickly recap what we have done. Proper fractions, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Unit fraction, the numerator is always 1. Like fractions which have denominators same. Unlike fractions which have denominators as different. Hope the concept is clear to you. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Do practice sums and you will master the concept. Thank you.